In this video, I'll teach you how to download the Communicator desktop app for your Windows computer. So first you'll need to locate this email that should have come from Nemerald, and you will click on the device down here that corresponds to what you have. So I'm running a Windows computer, so I'm going to click on Windows. And it's going to download down here. Once it downloads, you'll find the file in your downloads folder and you'll open it. After you double click on that, it'll ask you for security purposes if you would like to let this app make changes to your device, and you'll say yes. And then it will open up this installation app right here. So you'll hit next, you'll read the license agreement, hit I agree, and then hit next. And then you'll just continue hitting next through the next couple steps right here. So next, next, and then after you click next one more time, the installation will start. You'll just let this run through so it can finish installing. So after installation finishes, it'll pop up and tell you installation was successful, and you'll hit finish. Now you can go ahead and open up the Communicator app on your computer. And you'll just run through these steps as well. So I'm going to hit next. Now for this step, you'll need the original email. And the information you'll need to enter is right here in the email. So you'll need to copy this piece right here and put it in the email section. And then copy the password that's right here and put it in the password. Now you will be prompted to change this password first time you log in, but for now that's what your password will be. You'll also need to click on Advanced because you'll need to fill this field in right here, and you'll copy that also from your email and enter it right here. Now this box right here needs to stay empty, and then you'll hit next. Now you'll be prompted to change your password to a new password, so let me enter one. And then you hit OK. Now on this screen right here, this option right here is if you have an actual physical desk phone in your office. So if so, you'll need to leave this checked. If you do not have an actual physical desk phone, you need to uncheck this. Down here, soft phone is the actual app on the computer that you'll be using. So once again, the soft phone is the actual app that you will be using on the computer. So I'm going to leave this as checked. And next to soft phone, you'll need to hit set as default. After you do that, you can hit next. You'll double check that this is correct, and then you'll hit finish. Okay, the Communicator app will now load, and it'll ask you to install the browser extension, and you'll hit yes. And you'll select the browser that you'll be using. So I'm going to be using Google Chrome, so I'll select that and then hit OK. Now when this pops up, I need to say add to Chrome, and then add extension. And once you do that, that will be done. And then I can go back to my Communicator app. The last thing I need to do is click up here on phone, and then find this headset icon and click on that. And double check that all my input and output devices are correct. So I'm going to change my output, my ringtone device. If these are not set correctly, you will not be able to make or receive calls. And then you just need to hit OK. And once you've done that, Communicator app is set up and ready to go.